Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today I will be sharing with you how to make Donkwa or uloka. To make this, we'll be needing some corn. So I'll be using 2 cups of corn for this delicious recipe. So I add water to it, wash to remove every form of dirt from it. The reason why you have to wash your corn properly before using it for this delicious recipe is that some corn used to come with some dust and little stones. And after washing the corn and it becomes clean, transfer into a strainer to strain the water from it. And next, transfer into a tray. Spread out properly. Take to the sunlight for it to dry. And after sun drying the corn for a few hours, I'll be bringing it back. And this is our corn and the water has dried from it completely. And now that the water is dried from the corn, we can go ahead and roast our corn for this delicious recipe. Also, I have 2 cups of groundnut that I will be using for this recipe too. As you can see, the corn and the groundnut are of equal measurement. So I'll be transferring the corn into a cooking pot, take to the heat and begin to roast. As you roast the corn, make sure to stir continuously so that the corn can be evenly roasted. Roast on a medium heat so that the corn doesn't get burnt easily. Once the corn is well roasted, remove from the heat and set aside. And next, it is time for us to roast our peanut. So I also add to the cooking pot and stir continuously so that it can be well roasted. And here we have our well roasted groundnut and corn. So I'll be setting the peanut aside. Then we start with the blending of the roasted corn. I'll blend until it becomes very smooth. Please make sure to blend the roasted corn to be very smooth, because this will help in making our snacks to come out very fine. And after blending the roasted corn, it becomes smooth. I'll transfer into a bowl. And now we have our roasted corn, which is well blended. I'll set aside, then proceed to blend the other ingredients. And here we have our roasted peanuts that we'll be using for this delicious recipe. So I'll start by removing the skin from the groundnut. And next, I'll be transferring it into a blender and blend smoothly. And after blending the peanut for some time, I'll be bringing down the one sticking to the side of the blender. Cover and blend until the peanut becomes very smooth. And after blending the peanut, I'll set aside. Next, I'll be blending the other ingredients. First, I have my 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll be adding it to the blender. Also, I have some pepper. I'll be adding it to the blender. A teaspoon of salt, some clove. I'll add all the ingredients and blend smoothly. Please feel free to adjust your salt and sugar to your taste. And after blending all these ingredients into powder, I'll set aside. I'll start by adding the blended peanut into my mixing bowl. And after transferring the peanut paste into my mixing bowl, next I'll be adding the other blended ingredient. That is the sugar, the clove, salt and pepper. Then I'll mix together. So I'll mix together until it is well combined. And after mixing the peanut and the other ingredients together, and I will add to it the blended roasted corn powder. Then mix together. I'll mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can also do the mixing together of all the ingredients in a blender or food processor. Or if you have a mortar, you can also pound all the ingredients together until all the ingredients are well combined. This also comes out very fine like the one you mix with blender or the way I'm mixing mine now. And after mixing all the ingredients together and it is well combined, you can see how it looks like. Next, I will be washing my hand properly before molding them into desired shape. So it is good to wash your hands before molding it, because after molding it, We might not be cooking it again before eating them. So I'll take some of it into my palm, mold together for it to be very firm. Please make sure to press it together very well so that it can become very firm and tight. Once it becomes tight and firm, rub on your palm like this together until it becomes a ball-like shape. This helps the uloka to look smoother and shines. So you can see how it looks like. Next, I'll transfer into a bowl. Set aside and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. You can see that this recipe is so simple and easy to make. I'll be glad to know what you call this in my comment section. And please don't forget to like this video and share this with your loved ones. And after molding them into desired shape, here we have our uloka or donkwa. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.